comprehensive planning process and our climate action plan. We've had a lot of there are suggestions to expand bike infrastructure throughout these plans, but we really need to know how the community is going to react to that, how it's going to look on the ground. We're a small borough with small streets, narrow streets, and we really need to know how it's going to impact day-to-day life. So that's why I think a pop-up trial like this is really important.
One thing to talk about it on paper, but it's another thing to see it, feel it, touch it, use it. And we really are looking for these temporary deployments to give us really good data so we can develop long-term plans.
Something that we've seen this year during the pandemic is an increased desire to move around the community on a bicycle for, social distancing, recreation, health, running errands. And it's really great to see a roadway improvement that tests giving a dedicated space to people walking, people biking, and people driving. Having a pop-up like this is really valuable so you can test the design in real time and also build support.
It's been really great to get to see this design just pop up in a matter of weeks and have plenty of people using it here out on a beautiful Saturday.